with is a half a cup. How to make so be blessed. Here we go.
Hey, we're Steve and Christy Chisholm.
Hi, y'all.
We are plant-based foodies. And
welcome to our channel. We want to welcome you and thank you for taking some time out of your day to spend it with us.
Due to some health issues, I realized that there was a drastic need for a change. We did change to a plant-based lifestyle, and within about 3 weeks, I saw some amazing transformation, along with losing a lot of weight. My blood sugar came down where it was supposed to be without medication.
He doesn't snore anymore.
She says, I don't snore anymore. So we decided that, we wanted to tell other people how they can do the same thing. You can have good food that tastes good. You can enjoy it. And we enjoy cooking like this together. As you're going to see, Christy is the star of the show. She's going to show you some great recipes. And from time to time, we're going to have some informational videos on here on how you can get started yourself and you can change things for the better where your health is concerned. So I hope you enjoy what you see. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the little bell so that you know when we have new content. Welcome to our channel.
I want to say something.
Say it.
I knew that if I got to missing something I was craving, I would cheat. Y'all know, we've all been there. You try these little fad diets and different things, and you get to missing something and craving something that is a no-no, and you cheat. You don't mean to, but you do. And so my thought was, okay, if we're going to do this, we're going to jump in. It has to taste good, and I can't miss anything. I can't miss cheese. I can't miss chocolate. I can't miss baking. And guess what? I don't. We eat all of those things that we make, so I hope y'all don't miss anything or crave anything. And if you do, let me know and I'll make it for you.
Again, thanks for joining us and be blessed.